Unboxing Mechanicore 172 scale MASX-0033 TIEFSTURMER Expedition Blue Armor Type Premium Version. The main box is composed of two inner boxes, Box A and Box B. This model kit composed of instruction manual with 58 pages, 86 runners, screws and nuts, magnets and light circuits, water decals, and with a total of almost 3,000 parts. This high-spec construction plastic model kit is an exclusive premium limited version. I got the 3,441 out of 6,000 model kits produced worldwide. You will have a premium bonus of Space Dockyard model stand, pair of lower back full booster mode, and an extra design of decals for your full booster. Hi guys, my name is KR. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos about Mechanicore build. Thank you. I got this model kit for a price of almost $500 US. This high-end model kit has a top-notch quality control features. You will notice that the main box, two inner sub-box A and B, the instruction manuals and decals, lighting circuit, screws and nuts, has a quality control sticker that has a stamp of weight identification and the date of inspection. I hope you learned something today on this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye!